back to my channel. Today we will be doing another really fun and amazing science experiment. For this experiment, we will need a dish soap, milk and any type is fine, a cotton swab, and food color. And this experiment is called liquid firework. The first thing you want to do is pour milk into your dish. Now what you will do is take your food color and do a few drops in the center. So I'm just going to start by doing one drop out of each color at a time. And I would say for this experiment, 2 or more colors works best. I'm going to be using 4. And yeah. So I'm just going to continue putting some drops in. Okay, that's enough for the green. Do another drop of blue over here. And you want to make sure that it's centered as much as possible, so it works a bit better. Red, and just one more drop of yellow and we'll be done. Yeah. Okay, and while doing that, you want to try not to move your milk, otherwise the color will kind of get uncentered. Okay, our next step is to take your cotton swab and dip it into the dish soap. Now you don't need much, so I'm just gonna do that. There's not too much, but enough. And now I will put the end with the dish soap into the center of all my food color, and the color explodes into different directions and makes a firework. Just gonna, it looked a bit better when I was here, but it's still, you can keep doing it in a few areas like this. So now, why does it do that? Why does all the food colors that's in the milk spread out in different directions? Well, you can learn very shortly. Now, you may be wondering, how did the food colors spread out like that? Well, all of the dish soap disrupts the surface tension of the milk. All liquids have chemical bonds along the surface, so adding soap interrupts these bonds, making the surface molecules spread out and the colors explode, like they did when I was doing the experiment.